Greetings to one and all who are watching this video. Today I am Yuvan Ghanghas from class 7 and also a proud trainee of AS campus, where I am building my confidence to improve my communication skills. Before starting this video, I want to thanks to Mr. Ashish sir, the director of AS campus, who motivated me to record this video. And today I am going to take you on a wonderful world of metals and non-metals. Imagine a world without electricity, no oxygen to breathe, no cars, no buildings. Can we survive? The answer is no. The reason is simple. Our life depends on metals and non-metals. So let's begin. Everything around us is made up of metal. Some materials are hard and shiny, while others are soft and dull. Scientists divide these materials into two parts, metal and non-metals. Both are important in our life because they make our modern life simple and easier. Look around you, the iron in buildings, the copper in electric wires, the oxygen we breathe, the carbon in our body. All of these belong to metal and non-metal. They both play an important role in our life. So let's move to our next slide. What are metals? A metal is a material that is typically hard, shiny, opaque, and also a good conductor of electricity and thermal conductivity. In chemistry, a metal is an element which readily forms from the positive ions and has a metallic bonds. Examples of metals are aluminium, iron, copper, tin, titanium, silver, lead, and gold. So let's move to our next slide. What are non-metals? Non-metals are not able to conduct heat or electricity very well. As opposite to metals, non-metals cannot be rolled into wires and pounded into sheets. They form from the most of the matter of the earth, crust, the oceans, the atmosphere, and even the living things. Examples of non-metals is phosphorus. So let's move to our next slide. The uses and properties of metals. Most of the metals that we are using are not in their pure elemental form. We use metal mostly with the other metals and non-metals. The table starting from the next slide shows the features and uses of the physical properties. So let's move to our next slide. The uses and features of metals. The first one is aluminium. Aluminium has low density that makes it lighter weight. It does not corrode in air. The examples are in aircraft and electric wires. The second one is potassium. It can be easily cut up with a knife. It explodes with water. The uses are in dyes, ink, fertilizer, and weed killer. So let's move to our next slide. Uses and features of non-metals. Most of the non-metals that we use are not in their pure elemental form. We use them in the compound of metal and other non-metals. The table starting from the next slide shows the features and uses of non-metals. So let's move to our next slide. The uses and features of non-metals. The first one is hydrogen. A hydrogen is a colorless gas. It can be burned into air, but hydrogen mixer explode it. The uses are making product of oil used as fuel. The second one is helium. A helium is also a colorless gas. It has less dense than air. It does not burn in air. The uses are in party balloons and airships. So let's move to our next slide. you can see the physical property table which compare metal and non-metal. You can see property, metal and non-metal. The first one is state at a room temperature in metal, solid in non-metal, solid, liquid or gas. Next, density in metal, generally high, in non-metal, generally low. Next, surface in metal, shiny, in non-metal, dull. Next, melting point in metal, generally high, in non-metal, generally low. Next, boiling point in metal, generally high, in non-metal, generally low. Next, effective of hammering in metal, shape without breaking, in non-metal, break easily. Next, magnetic in metal, a few example, in non-metal, no example. Next, conduction of heat in metal, good, in non-metal, very poor. Next, conduction of electricity in metal, good, in non-metal, very poor. Thank you everyone for watching this video. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to share it with your friends. So bye.